Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear those friends. Today's video is question number 2.35 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. If the diameter of a carbon atom is 0.15 nanometer, calculate the number of carbon atoms which can be placed side by side in a straight line across length of a scale of length 20 centimeter long. So here in this question, they are telling that suppose this is a carbon atom. So its diameter means this distance is 0.15 nanometer. And they are telling that if we have a 20 centimeter long scale, suppose this is a 20 centimeter long scale, this length is 20 centimeter. So how many carbon atoms if we are placing side by side, like this is one atom, this is other second atom, this is third atom. So how many carbon atom we can put in 20 centimeter, where the distance covered by one atom is 0.15 nanometer, that is its diameter. Friends, this is very easy question. We will start with the unitary method. Let's start. If the length 0.15 nanometer is covered by one carbon atom, so the length 20 centimeter is covered by simple 20 centimeter divided by 0.15 nanometer carbon atoms. This will be the equation. Now we will solve this, but before solving this we have a centimeter and nanometer different units. Before solving any question we need to change the units in one form. Like here we will change centimeter and nanometer into meter. Let's see how. As we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. In the same way, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now applying these in place of centimeter and nanometer. Let's see. So here the question is 20 in place of centimeter we will write 10 to the power minus 2 meter upon now 0.15 into nanometer means 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now clear? Now let's start solving this. Now first we remove the decimal. 0.15 means here we will add 10 to the power 2. Simply. Now meter will cancel with meter. Minus 2 will cancel with 10 to the power 2. Now whatever is left is 20 upon 15. So 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. Now after dividing 4 by 3 we will get the answer 1.33 and 10 to the into 10 to the power. Now here minus 9 on the denominator will go up and become plus 9, and this is the carbon atoms. This is our answer. Number of carbon atoms are 1.33 into 10 to the power 9 in the space 20 centimeter. That's all for today in this video. Question is very easy. Just learn how to convert the units. That's all for today in this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.